Assalamu alaikum. All praises belong to Allah, the All Merciful, the All Compassionate. Peace be upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is He whom Allah guides, none can misguide Him. And it is He whom Allah misguides, none can guide Him. I am Abdur Rahman, lecturer in English of Tanga Fazil Madrasa. I welcome all of you to my online classes on English grammar. Today, I shall discuss on right form of verb using the correct form of verb. Do you know what is verb? A verb is a doing or saying word. We can define as definition. Verb refers to doing work. A verb is a doing work. We know that there are two kinds of verbs: principal verb or main verb and auxiliary verb or helping verb. At first, we should learn the auxiliary verb or helping verb. Then we can write kinds. There are two kinds of verb. There are two kinds of verb. Number one, auxiliary verb, and number two, principal verb. There are two kinds of verbs: auxiliary verb and principal verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb, and principal verb means main verb. Actually, in right form of verb, we have to learn the rules of using correct form of principal verbs. But at first we should learn the auxiliary verbs, because the main verb generally follows the auxiliary verb. So we should learn the auxiliary verbs at first. We should know that there are four kinds of auxiliary verbs, such as to be, to have, modals, and some other special verbs using both as auxiliary verb and principal verb. We can write there are four kinds of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are of four kinds, such as number 1, to be, number 2, to have, number 3, modals, number 4, others. There are four kinds of auxiliary verbs. To be. To be means am, is, are, was, were, be, been, and being. These are to be verbs. To have means have, has, had, having. Modals. There are many modals, such as can, could, may, might, shall, should, shall, should, will, would, shall, should, will, would, ought to, used to, have to, has to, had to, am to, is to, are to, was to, were to, am going to, is going to, are going to, had better. These are modals, modal auxiliary verbs. Then others. Number 4, others. Other auxiliary verbs: do, does, did, need, and dare. These are main verbs, but they may be used as auxiliary verbs. Then there are 4 kinds of auxiliary verbs. To be means am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being. To have means have, has, had, having. Then modals: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, what to, used to, have to, has to, had to, am to, is to, are to, was to, were to, am going to, is going to, are going to, had better. and others do, does, did, need, dare. You should remember these auxiliary verbs because in most cases the main verbs follow the auxiliary verbs. Then we should learn the forms of main verbs. I shall clean the board. Now we shall learn the forms of main verb. We should know that there are 5 forms of each verb. Every verb has 5 forms. There are 5 forms of each verb. There are 5 forms of each verb, such as base, base, present, past, verb past participle, VPP, verb past participle, and verb plus ing. V is verb plus ing. There are 5 forms of each verb: base form, present form, past form, verb past participle form, and verb plus ing form. For example, do. Do is a verb. Do is a verb. Present form, do and does. In past form, did. Past form, did. In past participle, done. And verb plus ing, doing. Base form plus ing. Then there are 5 forms of do. Base form, do. Present form, do or does. Past form, did. Past participle, done. And verb plus ing, doing. Now we shall see the chart of verb. The 5 forms of verb. Look at the chart of some verbs. We can see that there are 5 forms of each verb. Number 1, base. Number 2, present. Number 3, past. Number 4, VPP, the verb past participle. And number 5, verb plus ing. There are some verbs in the chart. Be, present form, be. Past form, base form, be. Then present form of be, am, is, are. Past form was, were. Past participle, been. And verb plus ing, being. Have, another verb. Base form, have. Present form have or has. Past form had. Past participle had. Verb plus ing having. Do. Base form do. Then present form do or does. Past form did. Past participle done. Verb plus ing doing. Then go. Go or goes. Went, gone, and going. Play, play or plays. Played, played, playing. Learn, learn or learns. Learned or learned. Learned or learned. Learning. For learn, main verb learn, base form learn. Present form learn or learns. And past form learnt or learned. Two forms of past form of learn. And similarly, past participle are similar like the past form learned and learned. And verb plus ing learning. Teach, teach, teaches, taught, taught, and teaching. Read, read or reads. Read, read, reading. We can see that the present form, base form, past participle and verb past participle and verb past form of read are similar. Read, read, read or reads. Read, read, reading. Study, study or studies. Studied, studied, studying. Take, take or takes. Took, taken, taking. From this chart, we can see that some verbs are different in 5 forms, but some verbs have similar spelling in past form and past participle. And there are also some verbs the spelling of some verbs are similar in both present form, past participle form. For example, read. From the chart, we can also see that in present form, there are always at least 2 spelling. Present form is like the base form or present form with S or yes. There are many verbs. We can learn from this chart some examples. Only a few verbs for right form of verbs. And from this chart we can learn that there are 5 forms of each verb, and we should learn all other verbs from our textbooks. We should see the chart of verbs in our textbook and learn the 5 forms of verbs. Then we should learn the rules of using the right form of verbs. Now we shall go to the board again. Now we can learn that every verb has 5 forms: base form, present form, past participle form, and verb plus ing. Now we shall learn The rules of using correct form of verbs. At first, we shall learn the use of base form. Now we shall learn the use of base form. Number 1, rule 1. Base form, using base form. Number A, modals plus verb. Number B, do, does, did, need, dare plus verb. Base form. Number C, 2 plus verb. Base form. But verb plus ing is used after going to, due to, refers to, with a view to, look forward to, be or get plus used. Etc. The rule on base form of verb is used after modal. We came to learn that modals are can, could, may, might, shall, should, would, could, might, and must, had to, ought to, used to, and many other modals. And after modal, we shall use verb base form. Do or does or did or need or dare plus verb base form. After verb, after some special auxiliary do, does, need, dare, we shall use verb base form or bare infinitive. And number C, 2 plus verb base form. Generally, after 2, we should use base form of verb. But if 2 is prepositional phrase such as owing to, due to, refers to, with a view to, look forward to, be or get used to, means am used to, is used to, was used to, or get used to. After the prepositional phrase, we should use verb plus ing. Verb plus ing is used after this prepositional phrase, although there is 2. But generally, after 2, we shall use the base form of verb. For example, modals. He can do the what? We should learn English. Then do that. She does not work hard. Then you need not go there. Then 2. Everybody wants to be happy, but he went to market with a view to buy a pen. Look at the example. He can. Can is a modal, so we should use the base form of verb, do. The word. We should learn English. Should is another modal, so we shall use the base form of learn. She does not work hard. Does special auxiliary, so we shall use base form of verb. You need not go there. Another special auxiliary, need. After need, we shall use base form of go. Everybody wants to be happy. Here, be is main verb. After to, we shall use base form, be. But he went to market with a view to. After with a view to, prepositional phrase, so we use verb plus ing, buying. As with a view to is a prepositional phrase, so we shall use verb plus ing, buying. So look at the rules and examples again. Modal plus verb base form. He can do the work. We should learn English. Both can, should are modals, so we shall use the base form of do and learn. She does not work hard. You need not go there. These are the special auxiliary verbs. Do, does, did, need, and dare. And after the special auxiliary verb, we should use the base form of main verb. Then 2 plus verb, base form. After 2, we shall use base form of verb. Everybody wants to be happy. Be is main verb, so we shall use the base form of be. But after with a view to, going to, due to refers to with a view to, we shall use verb plus ing. Be or get used to. We shall use verb plus ing with a view to verb plus ing. Now homework. I shall clean the board to write some homework. Homework. Number 1. He can play cricket. Number 2. You should not waste your time. Number 3. She does not help me. Number 4. They decided to go out. Number 5. He was used to take bribe. Look at the homework. Use the correct form of verbs in bracket. Use right form of verb in brackets. Number 1. He can play cricket. Number 2. You should not waste your time. Number 3. She does not help me. Number 4. They decided to go out. Number 5. He was used to take bribe. According to the rules of using base form of verb, we shall use the right form of verbs. Thank you very much for joining the online classes regularly. Assalamu alaikum.